Hi GCCS students. Today we're going to look at notes and note values. We're doing this because I want you to prepare for the quiz that I have in the link in Class Dojo. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the whole note. The whole note gets 4 beats, but there's only one sound. So a whole note is an oval, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. But it's one sound. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to sing ta, our singing syllables for our whole note. And it is ta. I have a squiggle, I like to call it my little worm squiggle, in which if you point here and sing the entire 1, 2, 3, 4, it will let you know that there are 4 beats, but you hold that note for 4 beats. Let's try it. Ta. Very good. So, get out a dry erase board. If you don't have one, stop the video here and get your whiteboard so we can learn how to draw a whole note. Okay? So, here is a whole note. It is simply an oval. I say it looks like a little bit of a potato, but it's an oval. And then what you will do is that you will write out 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can write out your tas. Ta, And don't forget at the top to write whole note. And then you're done. If you have your booklet of staff lines, please get that out and draw at least 4 whole notes on your staff lines. Don't forget to write whole note at the top of the page. Okay? Let's go on to half notes. This is a half note. It is a small circle with a stem going up. It can go down, but we're going to draw our stems going up. And it is 2 beats, 1 sound. A half note again is 2 beats, 1 sound. So if I were to sing it, ta, or 1, 2, and then the singing syllables, ta, I have my squiggle, and it goes ta. The squiggle sort of helps you to know that you hold the half note for 2 beats. Okay? This is the half note. So let's draw a half note. Get out your whiteboard. And let's do this one differently. Let's start out by writing half note. And then you will draw a small circle. And to the right of the note, you draw a stem. So this will be the note. And then this is the stem. And it is 2 beats. 1, 2. And then let's draw tas. Ta, ah. And this is a half note. Get out your booklet of staff notes, turn to another page, write half note at the top, and draw at least 6 half notes. And put 1, 2 underneath, and tas as well. Very good. Do those on your own. Okay? Now, the next we have a quarter note. A quarter note is 1 beat, 1 sound. 1 beat, and then the singing syllable, ta, and 1. Okay, so let's draw that. First, with your dry erase board, write our quarter note. Then draw a small note that's circled in, different from the half note. And then draw a stem going up. It is 1 beat, put a 1 underneath, and then the singing syllable of ta. Okay. Very good. And we're going to end with eighth note pair. Here's an eighth note pair. And an eighth note is a half of a beat. So every time you encounter an eighth note, it is half of a beat. And this is an eighth note pair. There is an eighth note that's single, but we're going to focus on reading 2 eighth notes at a time. Here are the notes. Here are the note values, 1 and 2 and. That's how you count an eighth note when one comes after the other. They're both a half a beat each, but we count them 1 and 2 and. Or ta-ti, ta-ti. Another way of singing this is ti-ti-ti-ti. Okay? So let's draw an eighth note pair. Get out your dry erase board. Write out eighth note pair. Anytime you need to stop the video to write down the word, please do that. Then we draw a note and a stem, just like a quarter note. And then right next to it, another note and a stem. Then across, we join them together with a beam. That is called a beam. And then we write the note values. They're half a beat each. And the singing word is, I said ta-ta. Let's look at TT or ta-ti. We would interchange them because if there's a bunch of eighth notes together, it looks better when you can see the notes a little bit better and section them off better by saying ta-ti, ta-ti. But you can put them both as t-t, t-t. Okay? So, to just review, here are all of our notes. See if I can get that. Here are all of our notes. We have the whole note, which is 4 beats. The half note, which is 2 beats. We have the quarter note, which is 1 beat. And then the eighth note pair, which is a half a note, half a beat each. Very good. When you get your quiz, don't forget to write your name on the quiz at the very top. Type it in. Or if you're going to print them out, write your name so that I can know it's you. Do the entire quiz, choose one answer, and then press submit at the end. Remember, put your name on the paper, whether it's typing it or whether you printed it out and you're writing it. If you're printing it out, please take a picture of every page so that I can see your work. Okay? Very good.